Model, 66-plate Nissan Navara Tekna Double Cab 2.3 dCi 190PS 4-wheel drive, auto. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 108,898. MOT, the 31st of July 2025. Engine, 2298 ccys 23E6BA. Transmission, automatic 4WD. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 3 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, reversing camera, 2 keys, start-stop, sat-nav, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon.